restock my skincare fridge with me, part 3. So first so in the last video I did the bottom, now I'll just be doing the top. So I'm gonna do that off camera because I'm probably gonna run out of time. But I'm just gonna show you guys the product. Bubble Clay Mask, Come Clean. Moisturizing Moisturizer. Hydrating Serum. These 2 lip balms. Mini Daydream and Water Slide Serum. This lip balm. Burt's Bees Vanilla Bean Lip Balm. Watermelon and Mango Touch Slam. e.l.f. Watermelon and Mango Lip Balm. And last, this Bubble Lip Balm. Okay, so here's what the top shelf looks like and what the bottom shelf looks like. So this was the last part of restocking my skincare fridge. But yeah, see you guys in my next video. Bye.